For $1 from Aliexpress you can get this module. And what is it? It's a DC 3.7 volts multifunctional Bluetooth audio amplifier board, dual amplifier, V96 DIY circuit board, micro USB charging interface. Alright, and for $1 you can get this module that have stereo output. And what kind of chip is that inside? I don't know. We're gonna find out. And I got it. Oh, no bubbles. Just the wires and the board itself and the instruction manual. And what it says in description: it's a regular mp3 player that can be hooked up a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery, and you can charge it through the micro USB connector. It has the main power on off switch, and this aux input, I was taught it's aux input audio, but in description it says insert the microphone. We're gonna try that also. In the description it says that can deliver 3 to 5 watts on each channel. And from behind the board we have the left and the right output for the speakers, and this red is for connecting battery positive and battery negative terminal, and should be charged through the micro USB connector. We have 4 push switches. M is for mode, volume down, maybe this is previous track, play and pause, volume up, and next track. At front we have the USB disc for inserting a memory with mp3 songs, the micro SD card reader, and that's it. And oh, I forgot, on top we have the Bluetooth receiver, and maybe, but I'm gonna find out, does it have FM radio? I don't think so, but I'm gonna test it. Let's hook up everything now. Alright, I connect the 18650 rechargeable battery to the board, and also I connect one speaker, and turning on in 3, 2, 1.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Oh, maximum volume. Why? Mode.
FM tuner.
And yes, it have a FM radio receiver. I didn't know that, but there it is. And also on the board there is a spot where you can solder an antenna. But why the volume is up?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It's ready to pair. Okay.
FM tuner.
I have tested too many Bluetooth devices. BT speaker. Pairing.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay. Can I control the volume? That is very important thing. Yes. But the girl, she's saying Bluetooth is too loud. I think that thing can be controlled. sound, and the sound is pretty clear. But I'm using this Sony speaker pulled out from old radio, and it's very decent here. Let's try the USB disc. Music. Alright. All the buttons are working fine. And the play pause. Okay. Removing that.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
She stressed me out. The volume is maxed. Inserting the micro SD card. Music. Okay, also the micro SD card is working fine. And the funny thing is that this aux input is really for microphone, and it's with echo. Hello, 1, 2, 3, hello. This board is, I don't know, maybe good, maybe bad, but the best thing is that it have a microphone input with echo. Whoa. I'm using this Sony microphone. Fine. And the last test is to see with how many milliamperes this board is charging the lithium battery. 100 milliamperes. But this battery is already full. Alright. It's working, and it have a red indicator that will turn into blue when the battery is fully charged. That is okay. One more thing, I need to remove the battery so I can see is this thing working with the micro USB connection. Turning on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, it's working. But I didn't find a way to lower down the volume when that Chinese girl is speaking. Alright, maybe you will know, and let me know in the comments below. Please help, because it's very annoying. Look.
FM
Tinder with maximum volume. Line in.
The Bluetooth device is ready.
I can't stand it. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!